Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup review of this Alyssa Edwards palette. It's by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Look how amazing her palette looks. It's very unique. Look at the gold lettering. I love that. It really makes this palette stand out from the rest of the palettes that I've seen. There's like a compact mirror that they included for you. And then there are 3 shimmer shades along with 11 matte shades. So all 4 of these colors I used to do this makeup look today. I just want something that's gonna really stand out, and I don't use a lot of yellow in my eyeshadow, so I wanted to try that. I always do a gorgeous pink eye, so I wanted to just kind of mix that together and see what colors I come out with. I'm gonna do a swatch of each color so that way you guys can see what they look like. Okay, so the first color we're gonna start off with is Headliner. It's this white here, and I'm gonna swatch that. And I'm gonna put it on my elbow. Okay, and then I'm gonna wipe that off. And the next one, I'm gonna go in with this Inspire color. It's more of a shimmer, so you may not be able to see it all too well, depending on oh yeah, you can. Oh, that is so nice. Look how, oh my gosh. Ooh, that's like a royal color. Oh, that is so beautiful. The next color is Unicorn Tribe. It's a purple color. It looks real like a lavender. Looks like a lavender color. The pigment is, oh my gosh, it's amazing. The next one is Brick Road, which is this yellow color. And I'm going to put it here. Okay. The next one is Texas Made. It's this pink. And I'm gonna put it here. I'm trying to do it straight, but it isn't coming out so straight. That's pretty. The next one is Dream It. It's this blue, it's like a royal blue. Okay. Oh my goodness. That is so, oh, I'm definitely gonna have to use that blue for another makeup look. That's really cute. The next one is Back Rolls. It's this, it's like a brown, a dark brown. I usually use this color in my crease. Okay. The next color is the Supreme. It's this color here. It looks like a peach color, like a lighter peach color. That's cute. I'm definitely gonna have to use that. Wow, I already know how I can put that together. Okay, so the next one is Hoe. H-O-E. This color right here, it's like a sandy color. Okay. All right, and then the next one is DDG. It's a beautiful purple. It's like a violet, like a shimmery violet color. All right, let's see, let's put it here. That's cute. All right, and the next one is BBDC. It is more of a darker purple. Let's see where, can I put? I'm gonna put it here. There's so much makeup just flying around, like it's starting to give me some allergies. It feels like my nostrils is literally running, you know. It kind of feels like I got some of this powder in my system. All right, so the next one is Beyond. It's like a shimmery pink. It is cute. Let's put that here. The next one is Believe. It's again another matte purple. It's a bit lighter though than the last one that I put on there. See all that powder? Like all that color. Yeah. And then the last one is Beast. It's just a straight matte black. And I'm gonna put that here. So as you can see, all of these colors are gorgeous. Some of them stand out a little bit more than others. If you're gonna use them on your eyelid, you can use some concealer or you can use some setting spray. So we're at the fun part of the video where I'm gonna show you guys how I did this makeup look using this palette. So if you are interested in that and you wanna see it, keep watching all the way to the end. So I'm gonna go in with this BBC color right here and I'm gonna lay the foundation. I'm just gonna stamp it in first and then I'm gonna go in and blend it out. I just really wanna get that color in there really, really good. I'm gonna do the other side as well. Just gonna stamp it in, staying as close to the brow. I'm staying as close to the brow up here, and then I'm moving slowly down. And then once I've gotten the color in there good, I'm going to blend it out. I'm going in with Texas Made now, this top pink color, and I'm going to stamp that and blend it into the color that I just laid. So I'm gonna go in first and I'm gonna stamp it in just above my crease line. You wanna get the color in, make it look very vibrant before you actually blend it out. Because if you try to blend it out right away, you're gonna blend some of that color out. I'm just gonna blend it out. And I'm just gonna be careful not to remove a lot of the pink. I just wanna blend in both of the colors so that way it doesn't have any like harsh lines. And I'm gonna do this side. I still want the purple to be able to show through, so I'm not gonna over blend it. You just want to remove, like I said, the harsh lines. I was gonna go in with this Beyond color. It's like a shimmer pink right here. It's a really pretty color. But I think I may have changed my mind and I might go in with this Brick Road, which is like a yellow. I just want to brighten up the eye a little bit, and so I might even mix both colors at some point, but I'm gonna lay Brick Road right there on my lid and then see how I'm feeling, and I might just mix a little bit of that Beyond color on top as well, but I'll see as I go. And then what I'm gonna do is go in and blend it up a little bit into the pink. I am gonna go in with that Beyond color that I was showing you guys a little bit earlier, that shimmer color. And I'm just gonna lay a little bit of it on top of this brick road, which is this yellow. So I'm just gonna lay it right in this corner here, where you see me stamping the color. I'm not gonna bring it any further out. It's not showing up as shimmery like I want it to be. So I might just go ahead and add some of that setting spray and see how well I can get it to show up a little bit more. Okay, so I'm just going back in with that yellow color, the brick road, and I'm just stamping it right back in there, because when I put some of the pink on, I started to lose some of that color. I'm going to add the Texas Made and the Brick Road underneath the eye as well, so it's these two colors. I'm going to go in with Beyond in the corner, so that way I can get some of that shimmer. So I'm gonna use the same color that I used above in the corners of my eye, and I want to put that at the bottom as well. I used some of this Rosy Glow highlighter by the Crayon Case. It looks just like this, and I put it in the tear duct, right by the tear duct, just to give it that that highlighter look, like it glows right there. So I finished the look. I went off camera and I added some lashes and some mascara, and then I sprayed some finishing spray. That yellow makes the look stand out a lot more. It's really, really gorgeous. I would suggest you guys go and get this palette. You definitely will not regret it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell for more notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.